Hello, namaste. Learn Nepali easily. Sentence number 1. Oh, what an excellent. Oh, kasta utkrishta, or you can also say kasta utkrishta only. Here, utkrishta means excellent. Now, sentence number 2. Put your suitcase on the upper rack. तपाईको suitcase माथिल्लो र्याकमा राख्नुहोस्. तपाईको suitcase माथिल्लो र्याकमा राख्नुहोस्. When you see तपाईं in any sentence, then it means formal sentence. Timi is informal and तपाईं is formal. Now, sentence number 3. Get up, Raju. It is 7 o'clock. उठ राजु 7 बजेको छ. उठ राजु 7 बजेको छ. You can say उठ or utha. Utha. 7 baje means 7 o'clock. 7 means 7. 8 means 8. 9 means 9. 10 means 10. Hurry up and wash your face. छिटो गर्नुस् र आफ्नो मुख धुनुस्. छिटो गर्नुस् र आफ्नो मुख धुनुस्. This is also formal sentence. Here you can see the words like garnus and dhunus. Had anyone else come? अरु कोही आएको थियो. अरु कोही आएको थियो. अरु कोही means anyone else. Let it remain inside. यसलाई भित्रै रहन देऊ. यसलाई भित्रै रहन देऊ. Here, भित्र means inside and रहन देऊ means let it remain. Next sentence. The matter is clear. कुरा प्रष्ट छ. कुरा प्रष्ट छ. प्रष्ट means clear. Will she need you? के उसलाई तिम्रो आवश्यकता छ? के उसलाई तिम्रो आवश्यकता छ? आवश्यकता means need. When are you coming? तपाईं कहिले आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? तपाईं कहिले आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? कहिले means when. When do you wake up? तिमी कति बेला उठ्छौ? तिमी कति बेला उठ्छौ? This is informal sentence and formal sentence will be like this. Instead of timi we can use तपाईं and instead of उठ्छौ we can use उठ्नुहुन्छ like this. तपाईं कति बेला उठ्नुहुन्छ? This is formal sentence. And for more resources, please visit agentaakash.com/Nepali, and for Nepali typing, you can visit agentaakash.com/Nepali-typing. And in this website, you can type like this, T-I-M-I, Timi, like this, Timi, K-A-T-I, Kati, B-E-L-A-A, Bela, U-T-H-C-H-A-U. We can make this capital and we can add H here, and this is same like this.